Then there's point isolations. Do you know what point isolation is?
Mm-mm.
So I want you to take your finger just like this, okay? And I want you to put your pointer touching the bottom, okay? Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna leave your pointers touching. You're gonna try to be as still as possible. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna rotate as best as you can a 360.
Oh, okay.
You feel this, you download this. This exists in a lot of gloving moves. A lot of gloving moves, more than you would think.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Like you could do it in flails, right? So like if I were to do this movement, right? Put your whole hand. I want you to touch the tip from the bottom, just like that. Because you're on top,
Right
and then it's not quite the same. But if it's touching behind, yeah. Okay, and then what you're gonna do? Okay, you're gonna try your best. Okay, you're gonna now let your pointer go. Okay, now you have to imagine that your pointer's there and it's not moving. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna try and isolate. Do a point isolation around, okay? I'm trying my best for my middle finger to stay in that point. You can go to a wall and do this. So you're actually practicing. Look at my wrist. So you see how my wrist is extended? It's kind of going up, and I'm kind of going around, right? Yeah. Oh, great. That's it looks like you're really getting it. You're really you can go a little bit more. You kind of need this palm up. You see how my palm is going up? Yeah. A perfect one would be something like this. Palm is facing out, okay? I'm kind of even moving my body to kind of feel that too if I need to, because it's kind of like it's like a mind muscle connection, and you want to feel that isolation with your body. Yeah. You get it, right? So could use a little work. So here's another one, okay? Reference theory. Have you seen the reference theory video?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
In front of your camera, look at my middle finger, okay?
Yes, you talked about this last time. Yeah. So find a point of reference, and then stick with that. Yeah.
Exactly. I'm doing that on my
I think I need to. Yeah, I definitely need to practice it with a thing first.
Yes.
And then I will be able to download that movement.
Yes.
And it'll probably be better if I've eaten breakfast and not just drinking coffee.
Right.
Yeah. It's cool.
Exactly.
It's whatever.
Yeah. So point isolation, and then we got normal isolation, right? And so the thing about tutting, okay? So the theme of tutting is like what you said earlier. It's making lines, creating shapes, typically boxes, sometimes triangle. That's the theme of tutting, right? It teaches you how to make shapes, straight angles, right angles, any of that, right? But the movement and how you achieve all that is through isolations, tracing, and hinging.